yeah, so this is the bike, 77 XS 750. And I'm going to try to take the carbs apart. And first thing I got to do is take them off. I added these air cleaners a while back, and I don't know if I'm going to keep them. I might, but I'm not sure. The last time the bike was running, it had a distinct sound, and I'll try to insert that in here. I have the video from it, so hopefully I can edit that in. Yeah, I wasn't certain if it was coming from up here in the where the cams are for the valves and stuff. I'm hoping it wasn't, because it kind of sounded like that, but it kind of sounded like a vacuum leak as well. Anyway, yeah, it's a great old bike. It ran really well. I had this part. We replaced the, we'll call it the cylinder block where the pistons run, about 15 years ago now. Anyway, yeah, I have a whole, like, all those bins back there, and plus underneath there's another engine, and spare wheels, and oh my god, all sorts of stuff back there. Anyway, I'm gonna start tearing the carb off of here. I think I'll take the gas tank off. I gotta get rid of the gas. I think the gas has gone off. Anyway, yeah, I will get back to you in a little while. We'll see how it goes.